Hello, the artist was present. We are looking at a wall of his work, and the most important picture for this little video is the one in the middle of the woman. I think it's Lucretia. She's a story in history, and she was bitten by a snake. There's the snake. For this little story, though, we have to move up because there's somebody else that's the most important to our theme today. Her little friend looking over her shoulder. Is it a skull? Is it a head? Is it death? It's a painting from Candace Carter. The artist was present, and now we are going to move on to his studio. Here we go. Heads. And skulls. Obviously have something in common. This is this life. This is what reminds us of leaving this life. The skull, but also through the ages, the artists have enjoyed doing this kind of work, where you see two lovely ladies, and in the middle there is a skeleton, and I think they're not going to be living too long. It was a theme, a major theme in the Middle Ages, the dance with death. So let's see what else, Tulo. What else do you have here? Oh yeah, this guy, you like him. You always did. He's kind of a lantern. So it doesn't seem like you're afraid of death, of the skull, of what our bodies will become. Check this one. I think this is you. Not real sure, but I think it is. So look at this one. Looks pretty, even like a little bit like a skull now. So move back down to, hello. I'm moving on to the little, this is also probably you, Tulo, in the big picture we have seen before. So where are some more skulls or some more, how about some demons? Demon's a good theme for artists. The demon in me, around me, part of you. Or to move on to here, we have another skeleton, and with another person, this time not a young girl, just a person, and also in this one, what are they doing here? They're making music together. One thing is for sure, Tuilo, what your pictures say to me is that you weren't afraid of death. You just went from here, and we miss you, but you went to another place, and you just left your little body here, and you're comfortable with this change in your life. And at the end, I thought this would be nice. How about this little guy? He looks pretty happy. So let's call it a day for today.